Hello guys, hopefully everyone is fine. In today's video we will be discussing the concept of modular arithmetic. Now we all know that modulus of a particular number when done with another number, there are some similarities we can find out. Like for an example, we say when we put 24 modulus 12, so the answer of this we all know is 0. Similarly, I can put 36 modulus 12, the answer of this is also 0. So I can clearly say that 24 is concurrent to 36 when done modulus with 12, it will always give us 0. So this is a similarity between when the modulus of 12 is done with 24 and 36. So 24 and 36 becomes concurrent. Now taking forward to this particular concept, we can add certain numbers to get we can add numbers to find the similarity of two numbers. We can take a particular example. Let's take I can say that x is concurrent to y when done modulus with, let's say, 13. So I can say that your 42, clearly say 42 is concurrent to 3 if done modulus with 13. Obviously 42 modulus 13 is 3 and 3 modulus 13 is also 3. So 42 and 3 are concurrent when modulus is done with 13. So similarly, I can quote a particular factor that 17 is also concurrent with 4 when done modulus with 13. So I can take this as A and this as B, and I can say 17 when done modulus with 13, it gives answer 4. 4 when done modulus with 13, it also gives the answer 4. So 17 and 4 are also concurrent. Now x and y are concurrent when done modulus with 13. A and B also are concurrent if done modulus with 13. Let's add x and y and B. Let's say I'm adding 42 plus 17, right? I hope that it is concurrent when 3 and 4 is added. This is y, this is x, this is a, this is b. So this is x, y, a and b when added, and I hope that they are similar when modulus is done with 13. We can check. This is 59 and this is 7. And when modulus is done with 13, 59 when modulus is done with 13, answer is 7. 7 when modulus is done with 13, the answer is 7. This is the similarity. Hence, some of the parts of modular arithmetic is that you can add numbers accordingly and get the modulus of it and check the similar behavior. So that's how your modular arithmetic works. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. Kindly share it to maximum audience so that we can reach numbers. Thank you very much.